Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Firyal Azhara dengan NIM 188205525 dari Program Studi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris Universitas Pancasakti Bekasi. Di kesempatan kali ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang cultural adjustment untuk memenuhi tugas akhir semester saya dari mata kuliah Cross Cultural Adjustment dengan dosen pengampu Miss Iswandini Agustin MPD. Let's check it out. What is cultural adjustment? Finding yourself in the midst of an unfamiliar culture can be exciting. Everything around you is new and different. Language, climate, clothing, food, but other differences are not as noticeable at first. Memahami penyesuaian baru, bagaimana orang yang diharapkan untuk berinteraksi di rumah dan di tempat umum, bagaimana menafsirkan bahasa tubuh dan isyarat nonverbal, bahkan apa yang dianggap lucu dan tidak. Mungkin kadang-kadang kita merasa bingung dengan pola budaya yang belum dikenal, menyesuaikan dengan semua petunjuk lingkungan yang baru, baik yang jelas maupun tidak akan meninggalkan dengan perasaan yang tidak pasti, seperti frustasi dan cemas. How people are expected to interact at home and in public. How to interpret body language and non-verbal cues, even what's considered humorous and what's not. Strategi terbaiknya adalah pertama, belajar pada diri sendiri tentang budaya yang akan kita kunjungi sebelum keberangkatan untuk meminimalkan hal-hal mengejutkan. Yang kedua, pelajarilah dan kenali dalam penyesuaian budaya. Yang ketiga, berlatihlah dengan metode yang sehat untuk mengolah pengalaman-pengalaman baru kita. Next, expressing such stress in a normal part of the cultural adjustment process, which every study abroad student goes through to some extent. The best strategy is to mengalami tekanan semacam itu merupakan bagian yang normal dari proses penyesuaian budaya yang setiap siswa luar negeri jalani hingga taraf tertentu. Next, sekarang kita bahas culture shock. The follow social norms and tradition in the US may be very different from beliefs about how things should be in the country where you grew up. When individuals move to another culture, they naturally carry their own background and life experience with them, and this shapes how they perceive and adjust to their new environment. Example, some of you may find American classroom culture easy to adjust to, while others may struggle significantly in this area. Culture shock is a common experience that describes the feelings of confusion, stress, and disorientation that occur when entering an unfamiliar culture. Strategies to help you cope with the adjustment process. Culture is relative, which explains why individuals from different cultures might perceive American norms differently. For some, the American communication style may seem too direct, while others may find it not direct enough. As an international student, you will be exposed to many new custom habits and ideas. Use your observation skills, since you will encounter unfamiliar rules and norms. Observing how others are acting in situations can help you understand what behavior is expected of you. Pay attention to both the verbal and non-verbal communication of others in order to get a more complete picture of what is going on. Ask questions. Ask for help when you need it. Ask for assistance or an explanation does not have to be considered a sign of weakness. Understanding others and make yourself understood in a new language or context requires lots of rephrasing, repeating, and clarification. It might be helpful to ask questions like, as I understand it, you are saying, is that correct? It's okay to experience anxiety. Learning to function in a new environment is not easy. It is natural to feel anxious or frustrated sometimes. The key is to remind yourself that these feelings are normal and are likely to be situational and temporary. Sekian penjelasan singkat saya mengenai cultural adjustment. Bila ada salah kata, mohon dimaafkan. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Goodbye.